Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook egg vegetable. First, let's get organized. You'll want to select your favorite fresh vegetables, perhaps some colorful bell peppers, a sweet onion, and a handful of vibrant spinach. Next, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl, add a splash of milk, and season with salt and pepper. Whisk them until they are light and fluffy. Finally, chop your chosen vegetables into small, bite-sized pieces, ensuring they cook evenly and quickly. Now let's get cooking. Place a non-stick pan on your stovetop and add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, heating it over a medium flame. Once shimmering, introduce your harder vegetables like diced onions and bell peppers. Sauté them for approximately 3 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, toss in any softer greens, such as spinach or mushrooms, and cook for an additional 2 minutes, allowing them to wilt slightly. It's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour your whisked egg mixture directly over the warm, sautéed vegetables in the pan. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 minutes, allowing the edges to set and firm up. Once the bottom is lightly golden, gently fold the eggs and vegetables together using a spatula. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes until the eggs are fully set and no liquid remains, creating a delicious scramble. Your delicious egg vegetable dish is now ready. Carefully transfer it from the pan onto a warm plate. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, consider garnishing with some freshly chopped herbs such as parsley or chives. This versatile dish is perfect as a quick and nutritious breakfast, a light and satisfying lunch, or even a healthy side dish for any meal. Enjoy your easy-to-make, flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.